What's up guys, welcome back. This is Sky. If you're new to the channel, we unbox and review random stuff you didn't know you needed. Today we have another touch of modern mystery box, and as you saw the mystery box 1.0, it was quite a disappointment, and then 2.0 it was mostly a disappointment. And I said that if the 3.0, which is the one I have in my hand, was a disappointment, this would be the last mystery box I get from them, or surprise box, whatever you want to call it. So without further ado, let's hope this one is better. Let's get into it and let's see what we have inside. So now that we have this open, let's hope not to get disappointed this time around. I can only hope for that. You can already see some sort of NASA stuff here. Space AR mug. Okay, we're starting off good. Some pair of wireless earbuds maybe, from a brand I haven't seen before. That's okay, I don't really care too much for brands. Now this box is supposed to have a $200 value, as opposed to the last one I did, which was $160 value, and I paid $99 for this one, so it's supposed to have double the retail value. And here, I'm not sure what this is. Maybe some sort of wireless speaker. And this is one of those wine aspirators, I think. That's what it is. That's not anything I'll be using. I have a few people who may appreciate this. And lastly, we have this box here that says Astro Reality. I'm not sure what this is, but we'll get to all of this in a second. Alright, so this is everything we have inside the box. And okay, touch of modern, you may have got me on this one. You may consider buying a surprise 4 or 5 if you're already at that number. Because even though I haven't opened this, I kind of feel like I've already got my money back. And this is all something that I would have not been able to buy with $99, but I could be wrong. So I'm going to put these to the side and open them up one by one, and let's see what we have. All right, so we're gonna start with this. So let's just open it up. This should be quick. I'm not gonna be opening a bottle of wine. So I don't use these things, so I really don't know whether these are good or bad. Feels plasticky, kind of like a solid plastic, and that's pretty much inside the box. So I will look up the price for all of these items and make sure that I did get my money's worth, just to make sure. All right, and here we have a pair of earbuds from the brand Hyphen. Let's see in here. Okay, so it's actually, the brand may be Rolling Square, so they have a card in there. It says Rolling Square. Here they have a little manual, and it looks like it does come with a case. Actually, it doesn't feel too disappointing. It doesn't feel like it's a cheap product. All right, so these Hyphen earbuds come inside a box here, and you can see here, this is a micro USB charger here for this case. Oh wow, these actually look very nice. It's like a dark gray. I'll definitely be trying these out. And it looks like this is the charging case for them. So it looks like they are charged as well. The charging case feels like a rubbery plastic, so it actually feels very high quality. I'm not complaining about this. And let's take a look at what else we have inside the box. And here you have your USB type A with a micro USB charging cable for your case. A few different size ear cups here. And another type of ear cups. They seem to be a little bit more sporty, and that's about it for these earbuds. And here, I'm not sure what this is, so let's open it up. This seems to be some sort of travel mug with different compartment. All right, so at the bottom of the box you find this brush, so I guess it's to clean some of the part. And then you have this inside, kind of like a droplet tool, as well with this small funnel, and kind of like a small plastic spreading spatula. And I'm not going to pretend like I've ever seen this product before, because I have not. All right, so apparently you slide this down, and once you open it up. Oh, so this is okay, cool. So this is not for edibles. I thought this was something for edibles. So here you can put your body wash. Oh, I think actually my wife is gonna love this. Your conditioner and your shampoo. this is actually a really neat product. This is so cool. So you would actually twist this and it will open up. You fill it up with your shampoo, seal it back up, lock it, and now you have, oh, this is nice, your little pump for your shampoo. This is actually a very neat product. I'm quite impressed by this. Very nice. I've never seen this. And here you have your second one and your largest one for your body wash. Very nice. I actually cannot complain about this one. And then to seal it, you would lock your lid, put this back up, and everything is nice and secure in there, and it will not spill on you because apparently this is also leak proof. Here at the bottom you have a little rubber, so if you put it on top of the table it won't actually move around. And now we jump into this NASA AR mug. I don't know what is it about the NASA logo, and I think a lot of people can vouch for this. It's just so cool. And you know, even when you wear like a shirt with just the NASA logo, it's just amazing. So I'm pretty sure this mug is not going to be ordinary. It's probably going to be just something quite different. I hope so. All right, so this mug looks kind of futuristic, to say the least. And it seems like it's made out of some glass or maybe porcelain, I'm not sure. It is dishwasher safe and it is microwave safe according to this. There is some sort of text in there, ASM, Aero Reality, Space. So I'm assuming that's the brand, which it's also down here, Astro Reality, I'm sorry. So let's look at this really quick. It says Space AR Mug, Bone China Ceramic. And apparently this mug has an app that you can download. I mean, so you can register it, and it has a few steps, and then the step number 6 says scan and experience AR. Then there's some sort of experience, so I'm pretty sure there's more to it than just meets the eye. I will have to look into that as well. And now lastly we have this, which is the same brand as the mug, so maybe it's just an addition to the NASA mug. It's by the Astro Reality brand, so it feels like it may be a book. And it is a notebook. I have actually seen this notebook on Touch of Modern. Alright, so this notebook from the Astro Reality website is actually part of this mug. I actually had to look into it. So this is actually very cool. So this is meant for you to take notes of your own explorations and kind of draw on it. So when you get the mug and you download the Astro Reality app, so I've already downloaded it and I have it on my phone. Scan here, and as soon as you put it on the mug, you can see how right now you're exploring what apparently is 300 kilometers altitude, and it has a location there, and it tells you right here at the bottom where on planet Earth you're actually exploring right now. So I think this is pretty cool. And this is a product that I think you know, kids and adults that are curious about science and astrology would really appreciate. And then as soon as you take off your phone, you see it's gone. It's not until you point it at the mug that it feels like you're inside the space station or something. This is really cool. Alright, so these two products, very nice indeed. Can't complain. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I really hope you enjoyed that video. It was actually quite exciting to go through all of these products because for the first time from Touch of Modern, I actually enjoyed every single product that was in here, except for the wine aerator or aspirator, whatever. I'm not going to use that, but I definitely see the value in it for somebody who may like that. Actually, after looking in detail to each product and their value, the notebook is $29.99. The mug is also $29.99, and it's actually sold out at the website. And I think just those two items were definitely really cool. Wine aerator was $20, and it is actually sold out as well on their website. The Tic Travel shower mug, I think that is a genius idea. I really love it. I think that is actually amazing, and it goes for apparently over 80 bucks or $90 actually here on the website, but it is actually for sale for 63. And finally, you have the Hyphen earbuds, which apparently go for $120 and are for sale on their own website for $89.99. So guys, when you actually put all of this together, it is actually over $230 of retail value. And I have to say I'm quite happy with that, because I did get my $100 value, and I feel like I'm going to definitely keep and use most of these products. So hey, touch of modern, even though I was disappointed with box 1 big time and box 2 somewhat, I feel like you were just throwing cheap products in there. I feel like this actually has value to many people who enjoy these surprise boxes. I have to say you did way better on this one. You did a great job. So hopefully I'll jump into the next one, and hopefully we get some really cool stuff like this. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And remember everyone, be kind to one another.